Hello everyone, welcome to my video lecture. In this video, I would like to take you through the structure of GST model. GST is such a kind of indirect tax which is levied on all supplies of goods as well as on services. It is destination based consumption tax. And France is the first country in the world which has implemented GST. Later on, many countries implemented GST and today more than 160 countries in the world have adopted GST taxation system. Now, whether all the countries are following the same models? No. India is such a country which has adopted dual model of GST. What is dual model? In India, the constitution is a federal in nature which has both central as well as state representatives. Therefore, in India, whatever taxes are levied, the tax proportion, the portion relates both to central as well as state. In some countries, only the central government has the power or authority to levy the tax as well as to collect it. That is single model. Whereas in India, both central as well as state, even though the power of levying and framing the rules lies with the GST Council. The GST Council comprises of the members both from central as well as from state. Now let us discuss what is structure of GST model, dual model of GST. Here, India has followed the GST model which has adopted by Brazil. What is dual model? In India, let me take an example. When the goods are sold from one place to another within a state, for example, I am the lecturer, I am selling my lecture. Or let me give another example. I am a businessman, I am having one enterprise and I am supplying the goods from Udupi, my place, Udupi to Mangalore. Now here, since I am supplying goods, it will attract GST. Now, what is the source? It is from Udupi. Where is the destination? It is Mangalore. Both places are within the same state. When the place of origin as well as the place of destination falls in the same state or same union territory, the government will levy two types of taxes, that is CGST and SGST. What is CGST? Central GST, and state GST is SGST. If it is in the case of union territory, it is named as UTGST, Union Territory GST. Okay. Now, if the rate of tax is 18%, let me take the example. The rate of tax is how much here? GST. We have different slabs starting from 0%, 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and the highest rate under GST is 28%. Okay. Now, in the example, whatever goods I have supplied, being a trader, let us take an example that the rate of GST is 18%. Since both the places, Udupi as well as Mangalore, both are in the same state, it will attract CGST and SGST. So, since the rate of tax is 18%, it is equally divided 9% each. 9% central GST, 9% state GST. So, out of the tax whatever I have paid, out of that 9% goes to central government and 9% comes to Karnataka state government. So, CGST and SGST is levied in case of the supply of goods within the state. If it is within the union territory, the same rule applies, but there the name is called UTGST instead of state GST because it is union territory GST. Okay. Now, if the goods are supplied from one state to another state, for example, being a trader, manufacturer, I supply the goods from Udupi to Kolkata. Udupi is in Karnataka and Kolkata is in West Bengal. So, here it is interstate supply. In case of interstate supply, the government levies IGST IGST is nothing but integrated GST, right, and it is levied by the central government, and if the rate of tax is 18%, entire 18% is called IGST, integrated GST, and it is collected entirely by the central government, and later on periodically it bifurcates the proportion. Half out of 18%, 9% will be kept by the central government, and remaining 9% will be allocated to concerned state. To concerned state in the sense, in the example I have given Karnataka to West Bengal, means West Bengal is destination here, 9% will be given to West Bengal government, but not immediately, at the periodical intervals, maybe at the for every 3 months or per year. Therefore, in the same way, when we import the goods from foreign country, for example, we imported goods from USA. So, here along with customs duty, GST is also to be paid, and that GST is called integrated GST. Let me make it clear. In India, the GST is dual model in nature. Dual model means half of the GST goes to central government and the half goes to state government. It includes the proportion of both state as well as central. That's why it is called dual model. And when there is intrastate sale means within the state, it attracts CGST and SGST. When there is interstate sale means from one state to another state, or in case of import and export to outside the country or from import from other country, then it will attract IGST, integrated GST. This is a model of GST which exists in our country, which is beneficial both to central government as well as to state government. Thank you.